In this video, I will teach you how to target the rich audience with Facebook ads. So if you are running any meta ads, be it Facebook, Instagram ads, then you need to watch this video to the end, because the product or the service you're promoting is not everybody out there on Facebook or on Instagram that can afford it. That's why you need to target the right audience, those who can afford this product without blinking an eye. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important parts. Open your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. You know the usual way you create ad. Click on this create button. For this particular ad, we are going to be using sales objective. So when you select the sales objective, you will see the continue button down below. Click on continue. At the campaign level, you will give your campaign a name. You already know that. Let's just go straight to audience targeting. I want to show you how to target rich people. If you're a complete beginner, you don't know how to run Facebook ad, I already have a step-by-step video for beginners. The link will be at the description of this video. So go and watch that video so that you understand if you're a complete beginner. If you already have basic knowledge, then let's continue with this video. So I will click on this ad set because audience targeting is at the ad set level. So I'll click on ad set. You can navigate ad set by clicking here, or down below here you will see the next button and click on next. Anyone works. Okay, for ad set, you will still name your ad set. Okay, after naming your ad set, you proceed to conversion location. Okay, now they will ask you, where do you want to send people to? That means when they click on this advert, where do you want them to go to? You can choose website. That is if you have a sales online store, or if you have a sales page. Okay, you can choose your website and direct them to your sales page or your online store. If you do not have that, then you can choose message destination and send them to your WhatsApp. Okay, that will also work for you, or Messenger. You can use that, right? After the message destination here, you will see Facebook page. Select the Facebook page you want to use for your ad. If you don't want to use the one that's appearing here, if you have more than one Facebook page, there's an edit button here. Click on this edit button and select the Facebook page you want to use for your ad out of all that you have, right? After that, you will see the message destination here. You can select WhatsApp. Okay, it must be WhatsApp business number. Mine is already linked, so you will use that. You already know all this. Let's just go straight to audience targeting. Okay, you will see audience targeting after budget and schedule. So when you scroll down, you will see audience here. Go to audience control. Below here, you will see locations. On the right hand side, you will see this edit button. Click on this edit button to edit your locations. For this particular ad, I am targeting rich people in Nigeria. You can target rich people in any country that you want to target, right? The first thing you will do is to select the country or the cities you want. How do you do that? Click on this search locations bar here. When you click on this search locations bar, for the purpose of this video, I want to target people in Lagos. I'm using 3 cities basically. You can use as many cities as you want. Maximum is 20 cities. Okay, so I'm selecting Lagos right here. So you see that Lagos has been added right here. Click on this edit button again, then scroll down, click on the search locations again. We want to add more cities. I will input Ikeja, Nigeria here. Ikeja is in Lagos State, so I will select this. Then click on the search locations again. I want to add Abuja. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. When you type Abuja here, you will see Abuja suggestion here. Select this Abuja, Federal Capital Territory. If you're not targeting these locations, maybe it's a physical product and you're only selling to those in Asaba, you can choose only Asaba, depending on the locations you are targeting. Okay, I've added Abuja. Now I want to add Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt is another city I want to target. Okay, so Port Harcourt is here. I will click it to add Port Harcourt to my locations. So these are the cities I want to target for this particular ad. After selecting the cities, one other thing you need to take note of is the age bracket. Remember, I'm targeting the rich, the people who have the financial capacity to buy whatever I am selling. These are the kind of people I'm targeting. And from my testing, I've tested several ads targeting rich people to sell high ticket products, and I noticed that people within the age bracket of 28 to 55 are within this particular audience bracket. So if you click on age here, you will see minimum age. I want you to target between 28, depending on what you are selling, 28 to 55 years. I have used this audience set and it works pretty fine. Okay, this is for Nigeria anyways. If you're not in Nigeria, if you're using another country, then target based on the age bracket in that particular location. So I've selected 28 to 55 years here. For gender, just use both gender because riches is not gender based. A man can be rich, a woman can be rich. Okay. The next thing is detailed targeting. Please pay attention right here. This is where some of you miss out. For detailed targeting, there are several keywords you can use to target the rich and the wealthy based on demographics, interest, and behavior. If you click on this edit button, it will take you to where you can target based on demographics, interest, or behavior. So click on this search icon here. Like I said, there are several keywords, up to 50. I've listed up to 50. If you want those 50 keywords you can use to target the rich and the wealthy, comment below this video and I will make provision for them. But for one audience set, in order for it not to be crowded, you just need to use little, okay, so that it will not be confusing. Right now we are going to be using keyword like luxury goods. Luxury goods is associated with people who are interested in buying high-end products. You will see luxury goods right here. Now take notes, don't just choose any luxury goods, choose the one that has interest by the right hand side like this. These are people who are interested in luxury goods. Okay, so when you select luxury goods has been added right here. Click on this search button again. Another keyword we are going to be using is frequent international travelers. Those who can travel frequently are those who are financially buoyant. If you are not financially buoyant, you cannot travel internationally frequently. So when you enter frequent here, just a keyword, you will see suggestion below, frequent international travelers. Select frequent international travelers. You can see it has been added here. Then moving forward, another keyword we can use is engaged shoppers. These people are those who have been shopping online for a period of time, and that's a good keyword you can use to target the rich and the wealthy in this space. When you enter the keyword engaged shoppers, below here you will see the relevance, right? You see engaged shoppers right here, and this is based on behavior. So select engaged shoppers and it will be added to your detailed options. You can see all the detailed options here. You can target based on devices that they use. High-end devices like iPhone, Samsung, iPad, that of MacBook Pro, and all that. There are still other keywords like luxury yachts, luxury vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, Range Rover, and all that. There are plenty, up to 50. So if you're interested, just comment below and I'll make provisions for you. So this is just the few I want to use for this particular ad set. Then the next thing is to save your audience, because saving your audience will enable you to use that audience set if they perform well. Okay, so after setting your audience, the next thing is to set your placement. One other thing you need to take note of when targeting the reach is your ad creative. Okay, now let's just go to ad level and let me show you that. When selecting your ad creative, one major factor you need to consider if you're selling to the rich and the wealthy is to use quality ad creative. By ad creative, I'm talking about your visuals, your video, your flyer or product image. This is what we mean by ad creative and your ad copy. Don't sell as if you're selling to the poor. The rich do not understand cheap. These people only understand premium services, convenience, and all that. You must use high quality flyer or high quality product image or good video. Don't use noisy video. Use high quality ad creative so that they are going to patronize you. Otherwise, they will not believe what you're selling is of high value.